You look so pretty. Wow.
We're getting great today.
It looks so good. I need a twirl.
A twirl?
A full twirl.
Everyone's asked for the twirl, so I'm gonna get that veil.
Wow. I brought 4. They're all downstairs.
For glasses.
Yeah, they're all downstairs.
Indecisive.
Wow. I know.
Right here and right now.
On behalf of Carter and Kelsey and their families, I want to welcome you to this special celebration as 2 people that we know and love so much declare their love for each other. Throughout your entire relationship, all the way up to scheduling this date, God's timing is perfect.
'Cause your love is all I need. Oh, I'm falling for you. More and more with all that you do. Oh, I'm falling for you. And I won't ever stop, 'cause I don't ever want to.
One, 2, 3. I miss you. I know. Sorry. Here, Lucy. Thank you. Thank you, Lucy. This, in true procrastinator Kelsey fashion, was not fully finished, but I started a journal back on 2018 for you. Just trying to highlight the highlights and just capture all the big moments of different things that have happened and threw in some pictures. I just wanted to give you a little something just because I started it as soon as I knew and was 100% confident to give to you today.
Wow. That's so cute. That's so nice.
Love you.
This is all the tears. No more after this.
Oh yeah, sure.
No more after this.
No, we're after this.
Yours will be here on Monday.
Mine will be here Monday in true just wedding fashion.
Wow. How do you feel?
Good.
Yeah.
Good. Better now that I'm with you.
I know.
When I think of the 2 of you, I see more than just 2 people here. I see 2 big families, each with rich history and a lifetime of traditions and stories. 2 families that will forever be joined because of this day. Carter said it best when he told me, Kelsey takes pride in the things she does. She gives people her best. No matter how draining it is on her. Carter, do you take Kelsey to be your wife, pledging your body, mind, and heart to be a constant friend and one true love?
I do.
When I asked Kelsey when she knew that Carter was the one, she said, I took Carter to meet the family. It was a month or two into dating and it just felt right, having him there. It was just easy with Carter and I had never felt that way about anyone. We already were having deep conversations and I could just tell that this was going to last. Kelsey, do you take Carter to be your husband, pledging your body, mind, and heart to be a constant friend and one true love?
I do.
You're about to make vows to one another and place rings on each other's fingers. Let these vows serve as your covenant and promise to everyone here and to one another. May these rings symbolize your covenant that you're making with each other. And may they always remind you that love is unconditional and unending and unchanging. I, Carter, see these vows not as promises but as privileges.
I, Carter, see these vows not as promises but as privileges.
I get to laugh with you and cry with you.
I get to laugh with you and cry with you.
Care for you and share for you.
Care for you and share for you.
I get to love you today, tomorrow, and forever.
I get to love you today, tomorrow, and forever.
I will trust you and respect you.
I will trust you and respect you.
I will cherish our friendship and constantly pursue you.
I will cherish our friendship and constantly pursue you.
I will love you faithfully.
I will love you faithfully.
Through the best and the worst.
Through the best and the worst.
Through the difficult and the easy.
Through the difficult and the easy.
Whatever may come, you will always be my wife.
Whatever may come, you will always be my wife.
So I give you my life to keep.
So I give you my life to keep.
So help me God.
So help me God.
I, Kelsey, see these vows not as promises, but as privilege.
I, Kelsey, see these vows not as promises, but as privileges.
I get to laugh with you and cry with you.
I get to laugh with you and cry with you.
Care for you and share for you.
Care for you and share for you.
I get to love you today, tomorrow, and forever.
I get to love you today, tomorrow, and forever.
I will love you faithfully.
I will love you faithfully.
Through the best and the worst.
Through the best and the worst.
Whatever may come, you will always be my husband.
Whatever may come, you'll always be my husband.
As I have given you my hand to hold.
As I have given you my hand to hold.
So I give you my life to keep.
So I give you my life to keep.
So help me God.
So help me God.
By the power vested in me through the gospel of Christ in the state of Tennessee, I now pronounce you husband and wife. Carter, you may kiss your bride. Mr. and Mrs. Hilliard.